Today I'm going to show you how to set due dates for tasks in Todoist using one of the fastest and easiest methods built right into the app. If you've ever wanted to quickly add a task and assign a deadline, a reminder style date, or even a repeating schedule without opening extra menus, this is going to save you a lot of time. The best part is that Todoist understands natural language, so you can type the date the same way you'd normally say it. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. To get started, open Todoist and click the Add Task button. If you're on desktop, you can also press the Q shortcut key, which is a super fast way to create a new task without reaching for your mouse. Once the task box appears, type the name of your task first and then add the date in plain language right after it. For example, you could type review report tomorrow at 4 p.m. or call client every Friday. Todoist is smart enough to understand what you mean, so you do not need to manually pick a date from a calendar every single time. As you type, look for Todoist to highlight the date portion in pink. That pink highlight is your confirmation that the app has recognized the due date correctly. It's a really helpful visual cue because it lets you know the task will be scheduled the way you intended before you save it. If the highlighted text looks right, go ahead and press enter to save the task. Once you do that, Todoist will create the task and apply the due date automatically. And just like that, your task is now scheduled and ready to go. This simple workflow is perfect for building a quick to-do list, setting deadlines, and keeping recurring responsibilities organized without extra clicks. You can use it for one-time tasks, follow-ups, weekly routines, or anything else that needs a due date. If you're managing a busy schedule, this little trick can seriously speed up how you work in Todoist every day. Now you know how to set due dates for tasks in Todoist in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next productivity guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.